Welcome back to Motorcycle Brotherhood. It's funny, I'm doing a motorcycle video from a car, right? Tell you what I got going on today. I'm headed to a car show / bike show a couple of towns over from where I live. But the thing is, it starts from 2 to 6. It's currently like 1:30, but I can't stay no longer than 4 because I got to go to work and I work overnight. So the whole reason I'm in my car because I'm about to go work a 12-hour shift overnight. Then I have an hour ride home in the morning, and I'm not gonna feel like riding my bike home in the morning. I already know. So I figured I just hop in the car, run down there, spend a couple of hours, see if I can get a video, and see if I can run into some of my old friends and stuff like that. You know, get some content of the cars, you know, hopefully, you know, motorcycles mainly. I mean, I like cars, don't get me wrong, but I'm more into motorcycles. So, hopefully it'll be nice. Hopefully I can get some good footage, maybe talk to a few people, talk to a few riders or whatever, you know. But, yeah, it was scheduled for last week when I was off. I'm off 2 weekends a month. But it ended up raining, so they canceled it and moved it to this week. So I was like, man, I wanted to put some time in, but it was too late. So I figured I'll go run over there for a few hours, see if I can get some content, you know, enjoy myself a little bit, then get ready to go pull this all out at work. All right, I'll turn the camera back on when I get there. Almost to the car show. Look like I see a few cars looking like they're on their way that way. Here I see a Dodge Charger with some pipes on it. Yeah, I was gonna drop the top today, but I don't feel like it. I'm just ready to go check this out. You know, get to work and get this night over with. It's Mustang GT. I love it. Well, y'all know I had to get the first bike I see. Nice looking road glide. Look at that. It's going down out here. I'm just talking to my boys from Best Kept Secret Motorcycle Club. They got all their bikes over here. They sitting over here chilling, over here having a good time. I'm about to take me a walk around here in a minute. Look at that. Got some clean bikes. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I want right there. Road glide. That's what I'm talking about. For me, you know, I'm cool with a couple of motorcycle clubs out in my area. So that's a lot of the times when I pull up to events, that's who I look for. Look at that. Let me get a little video of this real quick. Let's see. That look pretty clean. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. What y'all think about that? What y'all think about that paint job? GH14, that motor's nice. I like that paint job. All right, folks, we got all the little sport bikes over here. Look at that. Check out the sport bike. How you doing? Checking out the sport bikes. Look, they ready. Checking out the sport bikes. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right today? Do want to get a quick video of y'all bikes? Yeah. Yes, sir. We got the Kawasaki. Got the... See, folks, that's why I come to these events. I see people I ain't seen in years. Oh, Clark!
What's up, bro?
Man, look.
What's up?
His family right here. I remember riding in the back seat of the car with him when I was a kid. Oh, look at that. Here go another one. That's why I like these events, folks. I see my people. Look at this one. Look at that one. Oh, Nada, Gerard. Oh, man, y'all doing all right?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, folks, hey, it's going down out here today. Yeah. Look at that. I remember. Look at that Lincoln, y'all. That bad boy holding.
These motherfuckers out there with that 58.
Check him out in his Mercedes Benz.
They didn't make them ones out for kids.
I know, huh? Oh yeah, now this is my speed right here. You know, I love the motorcycles, you know. Yeah. What year model you got?
They even took them when we was a kid.
This bad boy clean. Look at the wheel. You don't see bad boy nice. Check him out. Check him out. Rolling slow in the old school golf cart. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Sorry about that. Let me get by you real quick. Ooh, that bad boy clean.
I just talked like something.
Mustang. Look at that. Yeah, boy, that's kind of clean. All right, all right. Check out the GT. You're going too fast. You're going slow down. I got to get this right here. There you go. There you go. All right now. Yeah. That bell out was clean.